So children, welcome to another lecture of mathematics. And we had started the next topic, that is types of sets. Types of sets we had finished. I had told about equal sets, equivalent sets, but the chapter name is idea of sets. Idea of sets, and it is the first chapter which I am teaching you, and on that it is the lecture number 9. Ninth lecture on that. Next article is subsets and supersets. Subsets and supersets. Subsets and supersets. So see, when we talk about subsets and supersets, children, what is important is, what should know first the definition part of it. What is a subset? So what is a subset? Subset. Now see, subset means what? If A and B are two sets, if A and B are, let me write, if A and B are two sets such that every element of A is an element of B, element of A is an element of B, then we say, what is A? We say A is a subset of B. How do you present this? A is a subset of B. U is there and a bar is there at the bottom, open towards B only, because all the elements of A are contained in B. And what if A is not a subset of B? If A is not a subset of B, how do you represent that? You represent it like A is not, just to put a cut there. Okay, we show it like this. A representation is important. Remember it. This was the definition. Is it clear for the definition also? That if two sets are there, A and B, such that every element of A is in B, then we say that A is a subset of B. Now suppose A contains 1, 2, 3, 5, and B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Can we say A is already present in B? That means, and don't think that one element is not there. Suppose if 5 is not here, then also it will be. But suppose here, so here it is what? In this condition we can write what? That A is a subset of B. But what if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 21, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 12. In that case, though 1, 2, 3 are there in B also, but 21 is not in B. In that case also we will say the same thing. What? That this one, that A is not a subset of B. This should be that side. Not a subset of B. I hope this makes things clear. Some example I can give you, like what? Consider you as a family member. You are there, your parents are there, your brothers and sisters are there. Can we say that if you are there and there is a thing called as family, in fact your family, in your family, can we say you are an element? That means your family contains you. Can we say that you will be a subset of this one? It is drawn inverted way, but I will draw it. I'll grab the board and then draw properly. Your family is there, parents are there, brothers and sisters are there. So can I say that you are a subset of your family? Obviously. Or can we say, if we talk about like country, India is there? Can I say India belongs to a subset of world? Yes. This idea so you can understand the things. That means this is the smaller unit which is made from this only. So don't write an example this thing. But write in this form only because we have to study mathematics and not anything else. Clear? So every element of it. So if it is a subset, we are writing like this. If it is not a subset, we are writing like this. All the elements of A should be there in B. See here, the word is given here. The word is every element. Even if one element of A is not in B, then we cannot say that A is subset of B. Now understood this thing? Then certain things that should be noted. Each set is a subset of itself. That means can I say if A is equal to 1, can I say A is in A also? It may look like weird, but A is a subset of A only. Means A also we can say. That means every set is a subset of itself. One thing, one more part, punchline or bottom line is there, not punchline. Bottom line is phi. What is phi? If you remember the last lecture, phi is representing a null set or empty set. So phi is a subset of every set. So phi is a subset of every set. That is a null set. Subset of any set. Okay. Better drawn in a proper way. Okay. Subset of every set. This is called as null set, empty set, or void set. Then one more thing is coming in the heading of subsets only. subsets. How many subsets? Now see, suppose A contains 1, 2, 3. How many elements are there in A? N of A is what? 3. Then how many subsets? So question is, how many subsets? So you know that this thing is always clear. Phi is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. That means the number of subsets will be equal to, or you can write the formula only, that number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to the power of number of elements in a set. So 2 raised to the power number of elements in a set, or you can say like, suppose A is subset set, 2 to the power n of A. Here what is the number of elements? 3 elements. So what will be here? 2 to the power 3. What is 2 to the power 3? 6. No. 2 to the power 3 means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. It will be 8. Let me write that 8 subsets first. Then only you can understand, otherwise only you understand theory part. So what the number of elements A has got? Suppose A is equal to 1, 2 and 3, then number of subsets of A is equal to 2 to the power Na, which is equal to what? 2 to the power 3, which is equal to what? 8. 8 subsets will be there. What are all those 8 subsets? So first thing is what? 2 will be there, comma, sorry, 1 should have been there. I'll write 1 in an order, otherwise please follow an order, otherwise you will just confuse yourself. 1, 2, 3, 3 are there, 5 more to go. Then what? 1, 2. Then what? 1, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more. Then what? 2, 3. Then what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. If you remember the note that I had given in the previous one, every set is a subset of itself. So can we write that 1, 2, 3 also will be a subset? Yes, it will be. Then I have told one more thing, that phi is, or that is the null set, is also a subset of every set. So it will be phi. How many are there? Let's count. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I hope this makes things clear. That is the number of subsets. And see, one more thing is there. If you are talking about Na, this note also should be there that A should be a finite set. Should be a finite set. So clear to what? It should be a finite set. So questions can be given like find the number of subsets. So in that case you have to write then all the subsets. Okay. So that way you have to suppose number of elements are more, then what you do? Suppose A is equal to how many? 2 3 by 7 9. So what will be there? So number of subsets will be how many? 2 to the power na. What is na? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 is what? 5 times divided by 2. That means it will be 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. That means 32 subsets will be there. Just like I have told, you can try in your copy also. Okay, that how many subsets are there. I hope this thing is clear. Now children, in the next class what we'll start with proper subset and superset. All these things I'll tell you in the next class.